Here's what's beautiful. Confidence lives in your body. When you move with strength, your brain follows. When you breathe with intention, your thoughts begin to steady. When you ground into your body, your nervous system remembers that you are capable, calm, and in control. Welcome to What If It All Goes Right, the show for high achievers who are ready to stop fearing the worst and start stepping into their power. I'm your host, Angela Gargano, 6-time American Ninja Warrior, keynote speaker, peak performance coach, and former biochemist. Every episode, I'm going to give you the mindset shifts and practical tools to shake off the doubt, reignite your energy, and remember just how powerful you really are. Because it's time to stop fearing the worst and start asking, what if it all goes right? What if it's already going right? Hello, and welcome to this walking meditation for confidence. As you start walking, I want you to remember this. Confidence isn't something you find. It's something you build. And most people think confidence happens after they've succeeded, after they've proven themselves, after everything feels easy. But that's actually backwards. Confidence isn't the reward. It's the foundation. Confidence grows every time you keep a promise to yourself. Every time you show up when you don't feel ready. Every time you choose action over hesitation. It's not about being fearless. It's about moving with fear and trusting yourself anyway. And here's what's beautiful. Confidence lives in your body. When you move with strength, your brain follows. When you breathe with intention, your thoughts begin to steady. When you ground into your body, your nervous system remembers that you are capable, calm, and in control. So today, we're going to move through 5 layers of confidence, 5 places where you can reconnect to your own power. 1, grounding into your body. 2, remembering your wins. 3, releasing comparison. 4, reclaiming your power. And 5, trusting yourself. Each one will last about 2 minutes. And for the final minute of each, you'll repeat a short mantra to lock that feeling into your body, because repetition is what is going to create and make it all be rewired. So let's take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. And let's begin. So as you're walking, start by noticing your stride. Heel, ball, toe. Let your arms swing naturally. Feel your breath deepen. Confidence starts here, in your physiology. It's hard to think your way into confidence when your body is tense and closed off. So right now, use your body to lead your mind. Roll your shoulders back. Lift your chest slightly. Look straight ahead instead of down. You're not forcing confidence. You're remembering it. Your body is always talking to your brain. Each steady step is a message. I'm safe, I'm strong, and I belong here. And let yourself feel that. You're in control of how you carry yourself. And how you carry yourself shapes how you feel. Now, for the next minute, repeat this mantra with your steps. I'm grounded. I'm steady. I'm confident in my body and in myself. Now, confidence grows when you remember what you've already done. So as you walk, think of a time you pushed through something hard, when you were scared, tired, or unsure, but you did it anyway. Maybe it was finishing a race, asking for an opportunity, setting a boundary, or simply just getting through a tough season. You've done more than you give yourself credit for. You've shown up again and again, even when you didn't have proof that it would actually work out. That's what real confidence is built on. Evidence. So feel your pace steady as you're walking. Let those memories strengthen your stride. You've done hard things before. You can do them again. Now for the next minute, remember those moments and repeat this mantra. I've done hard things before. I can do them again. My past proves my strength. Repeat it. I've done hard things before. I can do them again. My past proves my strength. Now, comparison is confidence' quiet killer. As you walk, imagine stepping out of the noise, the measuring, the scrolling, the stories that say you should be further ahead. None of that belongs to you. Your path is yours. No one else is walking. You're not behind. You're becoming. Every step you take today is progress. You don't need to match anyone's pace but your own. Let that truth settle in your body. Feel the freedom in it. You can drop the competition and walk with calm. Deliberate confidence instead. Now for the next minute, repeat this mantra. My path is mine. I walk at my own pace. Confidence grows when I stay true to me. My path is mine. I walk at my own pace. Confidence grows when I stay true to me. Think about the energy you've given away to self-doubt, to fear, to trying to please others. Now, as you walk, imagine collecting that energy back into your center. Each step pulls a little bit of your strength back home. You don't need anyone's permission to stand tall. Confidence isn't arrogance. It's self-respect. It's remembering that your worth isn't up for debate. With each breath, reclaim your power. You're allowed to take up space. You're allowed to lead. You're allowed to want more. Confidence is ownership of your choices, your energy, and your direction. Now for the next minute, repeat this mantra. I am powerful. I am worthy. I own my energy and my direction. I am powerful. I am worthy. I own my energy and my direction. The deepest layer of confidence isn't loud. It's quiet self-trust. It's the inner knowing that says, no matter what happens, I'll figure it out. As you walk, Think of one area of your life where you've been second guessing yourself. Maybe you've been overthinking your next step or waiting for a sign. Let this moment be your reminder that you are the sign. You have enough information to take one step forward. And that's all confidence ever requires. Confidence isn't about perfection. It's about trust. Trust that even if it doesn't go how you planned, you'll adapt, you'll learn, and you will rise again. Now, for the next minute, repeat this mantra. I trust myself. I am capable. I can handle whatever comes next. I trust myself. I am capable. I can handle whatever comes next. I trust myself. I am capable. I can handle whatever comes next. As you slow your walk, take one deep breath in. Hold it and let it go. You just spent the last several minutes embodying confidence. You didn't think about it. You didn't force it. You became it. You grounded into your body. You remembered your wins. You released comparison. You reclaimed your power. And you rebuilt trust in yourself. That's how confidence is created. Step by step, breath by breath, action by action. The more you practice this, the more natural it becomes. You're training your brain to believe what your body already knows. You are safe, capable, and you are enough. So the next time you need a confidence boost, before a big meeting, a tough conversation, or just a hard day, come back to this walk. Move your body, reconnect to your rhythm, and repeat your mantras. Because confidence doesn't show up when life gets easy. It shows up when you remember and remind yourself who you are. Now, for one final minute, repeat this closing mantra as you walk. I walk with confidence. I trust my strength. I know who I am. I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. I walk with confidence. I trust my strength. I know who I am. I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. Take one last deep breath in. in with power, out with peace, and carry this energy with you for the rest of the day. What if it all goes right? What if it's already going right?